like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
Yo, what's up crypto people, welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you a really simple and easy crypto faucet where you can earn yourself some free Litecoin. As always, to be able to claim on this site you need to have a FaucetPay account. I will leave a link for all of these sites in the description below, so feel free to join. Okay guys, so once you log into your FaucetPay account you just need to copy your Litecoin address. So we do that here, copied, and then we go back to the site. So guys, this is an amazing crypto faucet because they have an optional short link, okay? So I will also show you how to do this short link, so let's do it together. So we got the 𝐬𝐫𝐲𝐩 short link. I will pause my ad block, close the pop-up ad, and click continue. Once more close the pop-up ad, we complete the CAPTCHA, and click I am not a robot. Okay, we close the pop-up ads. Now we need to wait a few seconds. Click get link. That's it, very super simple guys, and now we will get a 500% extra claiming amount. So once more we paste our Litecoin address from FaucetPay here and do one very simple CAPTCHA. Okay, super simple guys, super easy, everybody can claim this free crypto. Make sure to claim it. Okay guys, so here's the payment proof. This is the one site where we claim now, free FaucetPay site. So the claiming amount is actually not that big with the short link, but it's a great faucet because the short link is optional, okay? So if you want to grab some free LTC really fast, make sure to join this site. Thanks a lot for watching this guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.